Improving your website's SEO and content performance is more important than ever in 2024. Tools like Scalenut and Surfer SEO promise to help you optimize your website to rank higher and engage visitors better. But with both platforms offering unique features, which one is the right fit for you? In this guide, we'll break down the strengths, features, and differences between Scalenut and Surfer SEO to help you make an informed decision. Choosing the right tool to improve your website's SEO and overall performance is essential in today's competitive digital environment. Scalenut and Surfer SEO are two popular options, each offering unique features designed to optimize content and help websites rank higher on search engines. We'll start with Scalenut. Scalenut stands out as a comprehensive platform that integrates AI-driven tools for content creation, research, and optimization. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to beginners while still offering robust features for advanced users. Scalenut's main focus is on simplifying the content creation process while ensuring that the end result aligns with SEO best practices. The AI-powered cruise mode is a particular highlight, guiding users through step-by-step article creation. Another advantage of Scalenut is its ability to streamline content planning and research. The platform provides in-depth keyword analysis, helping users identify terms that will drive organic traffic to their websites. By analyzing keyword trends and offering suggestions, Scalenut allows users to create content strategies tailored to their audience. Its built-in content optimizer also provides real-time feedback, ensuring that the final output meets SEO standards before it's published. Scalenut also includes a traffic analyzer tool, which provides insights into visitor behavior on your website. Understanding traffic patterns can help you refine your content strategy, focusing on areas that yield the highest engagement. Surfer SEO, on the other hand, takes a more data-driven approach to content optimization. It focuses on analyzing existing content and making precise recommendations for improvement. Its content editor is one of its standout features, offering users real-time optimization suggestions based on the top-performing pages for their chosen keywords. This tool can help users fine-tune their content to align with search engine algorithms, improving their chances of ranking higher. For users who want to dive deeper into the technical aspects of SEO, Surfer's SEO SERP Analyzer provides detailed insights into what makes top-ranking pages successful. This feature examines factors like keyword density, word count, and the use of headings, allowing users to replicate the strategies of high-performing competitors. Surfer SEO also includes an audit tool, which evaluates existing website content and highlights areas for improvement. One area where Surfer SEO excels is its focus on integrating data from multiple sources. For instance, Surfer SEO integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Search Console, which allows users to pull data directly from their website's performance metrics. By combining Surfer SEO's recommendations with actual performance data, users can create highly targeted optimization strategies. When comparing the two tools, one of the main differences lies in their primary focus. Scalenut excels in helping users create fresh content efficiently. Its artificial intelligence capabilities simplify the process of generating ideas and drafting articles, saving users time and effort. Surfer SEO, in contrast, is better suited for users who want to optimize existing content or take a highly analytical approach to their SEO strategies. Its emphasis on data and technical precision makes it a valuable resource for advanced users. Pricing is another factor to consider when choosing between Scalenut and Surfer SEO. Scalenut offers a range of affordable plans, making it accessible for smaller businesses or individuals with limited budgets. Surfer SEO, while more expensive, justifies its price with its advanced analytic tools and detailed recommendations. For users who prioritize in-depth analysis over content creation, the higher cost of Surfer SEO may be a worthwhile investment. Ease of use is another area where Scalenut has a slight edge, particularly for beginners. Its intuitive design and straightforward features makes it easy to navigate, even for those new to search engine optimization or content marketing. Surfer SEO, while offering powerful tools, may still require a steeper learning curve, especially for users unfamiliar with technical search engine optimization concepts. However, once users become accustomed to its interface, Surfer's SEO detailed insights can provide a significant competitive advantage. One aspect both tools have in common is their ability to improve website performance by aligning content with the SEO best practices. Scalenut and Surfer SEO both provide keyword research tools, ensuring users can target the terms most likely to drive traffic to their websites. They also include features that help users analyze and improve their content's readability, structure, and overall quality. Another consideration is scalability. Scalenut's features are designed to grow with your business. As you expand your content needs, its tools can accommodate a higher volume of projects without sacrificing quality. Surfer SEO, while equally scalable, is often more appealing to users managing large-scale operations or agencies. Its audits and analytics tools are particularly valuable for managing multiple client websites or high-traffic platforms. Customer support is also worth mentioning. Scalenut offers a more hands-on approach with accessible tutorials and responsive support for users who need assistance. Surfer SEO provides support but leans heavily on its documentation and community forums forums, which can be useful for troubleshooting but may not provide the same level of personalized help. Ultimately, the choice between Scalenut and Surfer SEO depends on your specific goals and priorities. Both Scalenut and Surfer SEO are valuable tools for improving websites, and choosing the right one depends on your unique needs. By evaluating their features, price, and ease of use, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your goals. Whether you choose Scalenut or Surfer SEO, or even a combination of both, you'll be well equipped to enhance your website's performance. If you guys want to get started with Scalenut, make sure you use the link down in the description. When you click that link, you should be taken to a page that looks like this. As you can see, you can sign up for completely free today, and they even have very affordable pricing. They're running their biggest AI SEO Black Friday deal right now, where you can get 60% off for life, plus 3 times limits, and 1 million AI humanizer credits. We simply scroll down here and see they have an essential plan, a growth plan, and a pro plan. Each of these are priced pretty affordably depending on your budget, and they come with different features and benefits. Once you pick which plan you want to go with, you can get started for free with a 7-day trial. Once again, make sure you use the link down in the description if you want to get started with them. If you want to get started with Surfer SEO, make sure you use the links down in the description as well. As you can see, they have a Black Friday deal that they're running currently right now, and it's only available for 8 more days. If we head over to their pricing, we can see that they have an essential plan, a scale plan, and an enterprise plan. Each of these have their own benefits and different features, and the best deal, honestly, for what you'll probably need is going to be the essential plan. You can choose the essential plan, and they even have a 7-day money-back guarantee, meaning that if you don't like anything about the overall service, you can cancel at any time and get your money back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Other than that, though, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.